Hello, I'm Aigugu. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to Munich, Germany, to explore the charming Christmas market. Let's enjoy the unique Christmas atmosphere here. The Christmas market is usually held from late November to late December. It originally dates back to the 14th century. It has been held at Maria Square since 1972. This year, the market will once again feature more than 130 stalls to sell goods and food. The small houses in the market have a unique look, decorated with lights and Christmas motifs, like a fairy tale world. And the goods on sale at the stalls are dazzling, including exquisite decorations and handmade wood carvings, warm wood products, and all kinds of gifts. Let's take a look at these handicrafts first. The Christmas tree is a 25-meter-tall Serbian spruce. It was a gift from the municipality of Tourismus. About 3,000 LED candles glow daily from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. until January 6, 2024. Besides shopping, you can taste the special food here. Try some traditional German Christmas pastries, such as gingerbread and pralini cakes. We'll sample a hot bowl of sausage and stew to warm your body and mind. Let's take a look at the process of making various kinds of food. In addition, you can enjoy wonderful musical performances, feel the festive atmosphere. There is also a lot of entertainment, such as carousels, Ferris wheels, and skating ring, where visitors can enjoy the fun of the festival. This year, the highly anticipated Karlsplatz Stachus Ice Paradise is once again available. It will bring you the joy of the 20th winter. From 10:30 in the morning to 10 o'clock at night, it becomes a downtown hotspot, where people can have fun on the ice. A new twist every day, Monday. Admission is free for visitors in traditional dress to experience the tracked on ice style. Saturday night, with the beat of Saturday Night Fever. Let the party animals go wild. On Sunday, couples can get away with a good pound, coasting hand in hand on romantic ice. In brief, Munich's Christmas Market is an intoxicating place. Let you immerse in the strong festive atmosphere. Whether shopping, eating or watching a show, You will have a memorable Christmas holiday here. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to click subscribe so you won't miss every episode of the great video. You can also exchange discussions in the comment section. I'll bring you more videos. I'm Agugu. See you next time.